this is, what is it? January, day after the tsunami. See how it does. The only one out here. There's nobody out here. So hopefully it'll be a fast set. Here we go. Sending her down. So another crabbing video. Can probably make sure it's set flat. Okay. This is where I'm at. So I'll give everything about all these pots here on this side. They're all mine. There's nobody else out here. I guess the tsunami might have scared people away. Forecasted like 8 swells at 8 feet. Doesn't seem that bad. It's not the swell that's important out here, it's the wind. So the winds are supposed to be pretty good today. So hopefully it stays this mild and it should be a good day. I think we're near high tide. Tide kept coming up super high this morning. So yeah, all these pots, I own this area now until other people come out. So we'll see what happens. So I'm coming up to my first pool. This one super close to the jetty. First pool of 2022. Let's see what this year has in store for me. And I want to head this way. There's some weight. First pull. Feels heavy. Oh my lordy, 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 look at that. But they're all female. Looks too small. Shorts and female. Yeah, way too short. Nah, they're all short. 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 This one might. Oh, but it's a female. Oh. Keep her female. Short. Short female. Up. I do love the chicken. Did I measure this guy? Short. Okay, let's head out that way just a little bit. That was an exciting pull. Hooey! It was totally exciting pull. Short. Okay, here comes my second pull. First pull had a bunch of mass, but they're all short, except for one female. So I put back. Let's pull two a little bit further out. This way. See how that does. See how this one does. And here we go. We're pulling. Pull number 2. This one doesn't feel and has. This one has weight. Good. There's a keeper all day. I like to hold on to it like this. Oh no. On the rest, a rock. Good sized rock. We don't want the rocks. One keeper, 2 pots. Both pots loaded with crabs, so they're crawling. I think right now is a good time. I wish I brought out more bait. So I'm gonna take this one, and looks like it's almost straight down. Turn it around this way. See how we do here. Two has weight. Oh yeah, this one feels heavy. Oh, this one feels like. God almighty, what a biomass. We'll see how they do though. They all seem small. Small. Yep, small. This one's legal. Female. Male. 2. 2. I think that's about it. This one could be. This is a male. Nope, too small. another. The females have been big. Oh, that's been big. And that's about it, folks. Oh, shoot. Look at this guy. Nicely. Okay. You, my little guy. Need to get out of here. Okay. Real big. This was pretty good, so I'm just gonna drop. I'm just gonna go with paddles out this way. And drop it. It's two. It's going that way, so the tide's still coming in. Okay. This one's just right there. This used to be pretty unique, but now it's by law. You have to have that little red trailer buoy. It's fine. Especially on today where there's nobody else out here. This one is going to be a little bit hard. This is going to be much heavier. A sleigh ride. This one feels heavy, but it's the pop up to heavy. Oh shit. Super heavy. Hi, birds. Holy crap, holy. Let's see what we got going here. Oh, they're all small. Oh, might be a couple of keepers in there. Whew. Look at that. This is the third. Why can't you boys? This is the guy. This one might be. This one looks a little bit short. Yeah, short. This one looks like a female. Oh, yeah. Short. Short. Unfortunately. Ah, fucker. Sorry about that. Too short. Nothing. just a hair. Number 5, we got 2 keepers. We need more than that. We need more than 2. Heavy. Would not want Olivia to pull this one up. Super heavy, but it's not super deep, which is good. I can't imagine pulling. Oh, maybe. Oh, this one looks good. This one looks like a good one. Yes! Let's try with the smallest one first. Nope. Bye-bye. You're too small too. Yep. You're a rock. Stop eating. Okay, looks like this is a spot right here. Good all day, look at that. Just barely, just barely. Over here, paddle back out. Right there's where. What I'm trying to do is kind of find where this pot was and put it right back, because this is a good pot. I decided that the other pot was pretty close to this one. I'm sending it down, back is just headed. It goes down, give a tug up. Okay. all good. And then, yeah, we're good. Catch more carp. We're back, we're halfway done. At least I'm halfway done. Right through here, right in there. I know you guys probably don't like looking into the sun, but that's the way I have to go. Get the spot. Into the wind. Oh, why is it that tail? Oh yeah, this is it's just tangled. It's about there. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, more weight. It has weight. Small. Maybe. This would be that one. This is one. Six. I think that's it. Males. Zooming out this way just a little bit. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where was it? Where was this one? This one was right. There's a lot of males. Right about there. The bait's getting low. I have to go and get more bait. It's way over that way. Okay. Still way back that way. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up. It's coming in. Coming in. There's weight, like all the other. Maybe. We'll see.
Security, all stations, hold stations.
small. Small, they're all small. Maybe this one. No. Well, they're here. This fish back in here somehow. Oh. Okay. That's not good. Oh, what a tangled mess we weave when we're dropping crab pots into the sea. That's the one we just checked. This one's pretty close to that. There seems to be. Oh, was that the one? I'm having a hard time finding my pots. So I have one conical one that just can't seem to find. Here's this one. It's too close to here. I want to move this. Look at that. That is taking a dive. Current. High current. This one hasn't been soaking for that long, but it's okay. I'm gonna move this. This one is so weird. Unless it's chock full of dungeons. It's heavy, but I'm getting weak. Dungeons in it, but I don't know. Yeah, it was just a short soak. So they are out here. Female. Short male. So I'm gonna just move this in that direction. And these, again, super heavy. So that was a very short soak, which is good. Saying that they are here. Still seems kind of close. Ooh, it's deep. Okay. Dump, dump. Dump, dump. And go. Little miss. Okay, so I had a hard time finding them, but with the sun to my back, I see 1, 2, 3. I know that one there, way over there, is mine because of that tail. The tail buoy has that little orange speck, that lid. So anything that's different is a good thing because it was super easy when I was out here and I was the only one out here. But now that there are other people dropping pots, so I'm gonna check these, then go in, and then come back, see if my daughter wants to come out and do some polling. I think I might actually limit out here. It's been pretty good. Straight down. Straight up. Where are we? Right at the tree. I checked this pretty recently, so it's gonna have a bunch of crab, a lot of rock. You know. Not worth the measure. It's like a nice size. Oh. This one has nothing in. Shoot, my bait fell out. So I'm just gonna, come on. So that wasn't a good pot. Let's move it out this way a little bit. I think it does better out this way. So, bait fell open. So I don't know what happened here. No bait. We're just going to store this here. So what I'm going to do before I pick up, because I don't want to, it still has some bait in the bait bucket. I'm going to put this out in line with this one. Bait fell out, so good luck. No bait, but shit in there still. Kind of weird. Like, I don't really remember moving him this way, but shit moves around. The wind and the tide is pulling. jumbo female. Look at that. Holy moly. Get us out back where we need to be. A little further. A very short soak, right about here. So I'm gonna go. For you. And my other one. It's right there. So you can see that? So you can see how it goes up and down. New sight with the sun to the back. They're much easier to see when instead of looking into the sun. So let's see how this one does. I think it might have slowed down. I think that's slack tide. They can move around. It's a good thing. So, let me try something different here. I'm gonna come around. So the green has no bait. So it's just being stored out here right now. Well, it has bait, but it's not really. I think to keep them here in there. I'm gonna spin this around this way. Grab this and go backwards. Oh, come on. Oh, too late. I've already. Fucked it up. This is the one. I think this one had the longest soak. The blue. Oh, it does have weight. Nah, too small. Way too small. Oh, too small. Ooh. See that? This way further. They ate all the chicken. Come on. I'm looking just for 3. Getting them here. No love. Chicken and some herring. They're gonna soak out here. This is the one that has no bait in it. Let's see. Except for the bait jar. Dang, it feels heavy. I think I'm just getting weak. Are you ready? It's heavy. Something. Might be just a heavy pot. Yep. It's just a heavy pot. I can't do a pull like that again. That was just the pot. I can barely get that up. So I'm gonna pack this away. All I need is 3 more crab to get my limit. So just gonna get these guys out of here. Come here. Come here. Come here. And then good size. Keeper. And this one's a keeper for sure.